Have you ever found about beginning your day with lemon water? Today you will realize why beginning your day with some ginger can be far and away superior. Ginger has surprising advantages for our well-being. Helps eliminate kidney stones, eliminates toxins from the liver, helps with the weight loss, boosts metabolisms, stimulate fat burning, improves blood circulation, improves digestion, fights heartburns and flatulence, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, protects the stomach and reduces nausea and vomiting, protects colorectal cancer. Isn't it super interesting? Because of all these benefits, in today's video, we will teach you how to make ginger water to start your day well. In the light of every one of these advantages, in the present video, we will show you how to make ginger water to begin your day well. Did you realize that drinking a glass of ginger water while fasting and in any event 17 ounces more during the day encourages you to get more fit? It quickens fat consumed, particularly in the stomach. In any case, other than that, different advantages merit adding ginger water to your daily practice, similar to the ones we referred previously. Ginger is a root that detoxes the body and improves intestinal capacity, which quickens the digestion, stops water maintenance, and assists weight reduction. Other than ginger, you can likewise include some lemon, eggplant, cinnamon, or cucumber to your water. They are for the most of the ingredients that potentialize the thinning impact of water, other than adding to control swelling for the duration of the day. Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment and let us know if we are contributing to inform you. And don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Ginger water must be prepared as a tea. To make it, follow the proportion of 0.8 inches of fresh ginger or 1 teaspoon of ginger powder for every 34 ounces of water. Put all the ingredients in a pot and let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Turn off the heat, close the pot and wait until lukewarm to strain and drink. If you want a lemon, squeeze 1 lemon in your glass right before drinking. If you aim to lose weight, you should follow a diet low in fats and sugar and also regularly practice physical activities. All in all, what is your opinion of this formula? Attempt it and offer your assessment with us. It is important to focus as ginger diminishes blood thickness when taken in large sums. Its utilization by individuals who routinely take blood thinners, for example Ecoterine, must be oriented by a nutritionist to dodge the possibility of blood loss. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.